Hello and welcome. On an Integrale, it can take longer to access a faulty part than to actually fix it. Today I'm doing a clutch master cylinder and I'll have to bleed it from down here. Replacing the clutch master cylinder is made much easier by removing the driver's seat. And you need to remove the door sill and the console trim, which I did remove later, to roll back the carpet. That dribble on the bulkhead is a telltale sign that the seals have gone in the master cylinder. That's what we're looking for. 2 nuts and remove the fluid pipe. Put a pot under the pipe, it'll leak. There's a clutch switch on the pedal box. It's optional to remove this. A pin and circlip need removing from the top of the pedal. That's the new item. The old unit was seized solid. Now I can't quite remember what it was, but there were some differences with the end mounting, but we overcame that. Refitting is the reverse, as they say, but getting the pin back in is impossible unless your fingers are as long as your arm. I superglued the pin to a long screwdriver, which always works well. I'm lucky to be working on a 16 valve I've got stripped down, so access is quite easy. So due to the master cylinder being horizontal, bleeding it properly can be difficult. So I would advise using a pressure bleeder. The inlet pipes, air filter and the intercooler are removed here, which allows access to the slave cylinder bleed nipple. With the bleeding tank pumped up, simply open the nipple and the air will be pushed out. With the nipple closed, this is what we're looking for. This is a job made much easier with proper access. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.